Hey folks, another warm one across the valley today. Temperatures this afternoon back over 90 along and west of I-69C. To the east of that, readings are mostly in the upper 80s, and we're coming down now. It's 82 in Port Isabel, 83 in Brownsville. Lows tonight will be relatively mild, mostly in the low to mid 70s across the area. And then tomorrow, we're back up into the 90s again. A very warm day as we kind of keep our eyes out to the north and watch for an approaching front that's probably going to trigger some showers and maybe even a couple of thunderstorms. We'll keep an eye on that. In the meantime, in the next 3 days, you can see the change caused by the front. It's not dramatic. We go from 93 to 87, but humidity will drop. We'll feel a lot more comfortable. And of course, in that transition is when we have that time for a shower or maybe even some strong thunderstorms. Doppler network's quiet today, and Future Track says tonight will stay quiet. Some clouds, that's about it. And during the daytime tomorrow, it's partly sunny again. Probably a few more clouds than what we saw today, but still a little bit of sun mixed in as well. Then tomorrow night, again, keep an eye on the sky. There's potential for showers, perhaps a few thunderstorms, and embedded within that whole mess, maybe one or two isolated severe thunderstorms. So we have to watch this. The potential is there tomorrow night as that front pushes on through late night. And then by the time you get to Thursday, it's all out of here. So it's just a shot between midnight and noon, something like that. Maybe a little earlier, western and northern parts of the valley, but the potential is there. And then on Friday, we're mainly dry again as partly sunny skies return. Tomorrow night, at night, about a 60% chance for thunderstorms. It drops down to 20% for Thursday morning because I think it's all out of here by noon at the latest, maybe even before that. To the north, things are already firing up. There's nothing severe in here today, but there's an awful lot of rain. So there are flood advisories, flood watches out for a lot of North Texas. Watching stuff develop off to the west of us as well. This is the potential for severe weather, the convective outlook it's called, issued by the Storm Prediction Center. The slight category goes from about Eagle Pass to San Antonio and Austin. Outside of that, a more general risk. But look at tomorrow. That whole thing shifts to the south and east, and now it takes us in with that slight risk. Now remember, this is the high risk way over here. That's when you see the big time long track tornadoes. Nothing like that. We're way down here at the slight possibility, but a slight chance is more than we usually have. Usually there's no color on top of us for this kind of thing. When you get into slight risk, that means scattered severe storms are possible. Not a big long line that everybody gets hit with bad weather, but scattered stuff is there. They're short-lived, not widespread, and within that area of thunderstorms, and everybody can get a thunderstorm, but to go severe, those will be more isolated. Biggest risk for us will be strong winds and some hail, so that's what we're going to be watching for tomorrow. This whole system, it's been kind of meandering through Texas the last 24 hours and will continue to do so the next 24 hours. But by tomorrow night, it's finally able to begin moving, and that line of storms develops from, all the way up in the Midwest, right down through Louisiana and right down the Texas coast, and gives us that threat for strong to severe thunderstorms. Now, by Thursday, it's gone and our threat is over. Another front sneaks in after that. So rain potential, there could be brief heavy rain, but it shouldn't last long because by the time that front gets here, it will continue to move. If you're traveling tomorrow, maybe a little messy in parts of Texas. San Antonio thunderstorms in the morning. Houston, they're just about to get there, and then they kind of sneak through during the afternoon. Temperatures warm up a little, but not a lot across the state. If you're going northward out of the valley, just count on running into some strong storms, especially during the afternoon and evening. Tonight, mainly cloudy, warm and humid. No problem tonight, a low of 72. Tomorrow, back to 93. Hot, humid with thunderstorms rolling in at night. Again, that chance for thunderstorms stands at about 60%. The chance of them going severe, about 15%. Severe meaning large hail damaging winds. About 15% chance of that happening where you are. On Good Friday, mostly sunny again. For Saturday, looks good. Sunday, Easter Sunday, we start at 68 in the morning, a high of 91. And then next week, that front Monday cools it off a little bit once again. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.